Hello everyone. So here is one more video on problems on the linked list. So today's our problem is we have to reverse nodes of the linked list in pairs. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. So our problem statement is reverse nodes in pairs. So if this is our linked list, so we have to reverse the nodes in pairs. That is 2, 1, 4, 3 and 5 is left and it's not making any pair with any of the elements. Then we will insert it as it is. So our approach will be simple, like we will be traversing the list and we will reverse first two nodes and then we will keep one pointer to this list and then we will revert next two nodes and then we will point this pointer to here. So this is the after first iteration our linked list will be looking like this. So first we reverted starting two elements, we put null in the first element and then we move to second element, then we pointed second element to first element. Here as you can see, this is our first list and this is our second list. So we will be keeping pointer of the first list previous here as you can see, and next list will become our current here as you can see. So this is the list after the first iteration. Next, like we will be reversing it, so 4 will come here and 3 will come here and then we will point this previous to current here. As you can see, it's pointing to 4 here and these nodes reversed and this will point to null. So after the second iteration, it will be our first list and it will be our second list. And after the third iteration, as we are left with only one element, so our previous will directly point to this element without any changes. So in this case our complexity will be O(n) because we are traversing the list only once and we are not using any extra spaces, so our space complexity will be O(1). So this is the code of the algo. So here I am traversing the list and we are keeping two pointers. One is current, which is pointing to current node, and this is current 2. So that will be the pointer to the next list node and then previous, so it will be containing the address of the node of the previous list. So here as you can see, first we pointed null to the next of the current and then next of the next is pointing to current. So here we revert one of our pairs and then here we are keeping the pointers. So our current become previous and current to become current. So we moved our previous and current one node ahead and then like we are again coming in the while loop and like so on. So let's just run the code. Okay, so that was our first list 1 2 3 4 5. So after the reversing in pairs, it will become 2 1, these are the pairs, 4 3, these are the pairs, and 5 is left without any pair, so 5 is inserted as it is. So this is the odd number nodes. So let's just try with the even numbers. So just happens. Okay, even though like now it's making the full pairs 2 1, 4 3 and 6 5. So this is our new list.